I'm starting to get really hungry. Oh, I could imagine many people do that quiet. Not yet, Uni. And sleep. I can never be mad at you. I know, Chris, it's always like that. Oh no. Thanks, Eugene.